Nigo charaigire Chinsa Isano Ibere chabono mubaso chinga kingo kumanya amangana Amayia ase nchira yobwenge chitariki ni 15 umutinyo 11 umwaka bw'ekiro Ibere emirongo Ibere na isatu eritariane Dorcas Kemuma na nigo tokubatanere abiganya nchama hoyo kwena kinga Mario gine chibicha aho ikeire ase nchira yobwikirano. Abagambi kurwase kinyoro kya mwamogese location ya Kiamwasi gotoke bunge ya Kitutu Central imeye county ya Kisii nige mambi ya lero babokera asubusagania obwamaru asibono bakora okunya bakwamaru ase ekinyoro ekyo asibara uno mugambi bwense meyo ya Kiamwasi Judith Kerubo naboigo okubatrana nabagambi bande nigo bane kinga babekire byara abantu bari konya bakwenga amaru asense meyo naboigo seba samba emitungi erikonye bagotumeka kwengera amarwa nigo abagambi abo bagikeiri obwengi bwa marwa ase ebinyorego sasense meyo ase goteba bunani go barachikogenderera kubeka omukya na kwena kingankorwani bare esegi obwengi bwa marwa ase binyoro imeyo imeye county ya Kisii ase boigo baterana nigo bari ababekwa byara barachikomukirirwa egetambukiro gya serikali ase bono baikiwe ase taseni kia banyanyimbo kia nyanchwa.
Wagenda seke nyurure koro kumamugisa asetu anyurira amawibu samangi sana nanyari akabato witera chirita angeri twa ya muna 200 chibusa na gusari bintu byo barasanya marwayi asengenza abiri gakoreta madara asabana baitu
aibia mangisa marwaya kwengwa abugusari boko kole kono obonge mwene micheyo no amangana abana bakuba musibo kose kunyora marito amabye myaka embale myaka emeke
abanda abange babaye bagutana asengenzo ya marwaya agarire na malimao ni wali asengenzo yo gochitumia chibeseji kubwatekana nayo kororanga chire cyabwango abantu babere baguchinyora bakibekira maru iye tari ya asengenzo ya magendera
gusanga muri kibesa mangana yo bwe kingo ko bintu ku mugunda matoke banyora kibese bacha kunywera amarwaya ya
abantu bakwenga amarunda abatabi ngabona yakire ngaki mugwana atagocencha mokore byatari bingabo birebiye birabakonya tugatsingo ko koro uburemi
kamwe serikali ko ndeba nane ndurugo chugotiga no toja kogendera to kubata marutu itera to abaira cyera nane bintu byonsi pibyo korosia marwayo to abisalia na kobisama
Maigae yo moraibo bomo bwazimio Raila Odinga wasokana kubwatuka engana igoro ya maguta ya petroli yo yagenderere korenta oguturubana ase ense ya Kenya nigo bono omorai Raila abwatutengana gotebabuna nigo amagutaria akorentwa ase morobiro obwe serikali gochase serikali government to government nigo bono ole ase boborimo gose scam nigo morai bwense Dr. William Ruto asokire bene na kuiraneria moraiwe obo kyama kyodia Raila Odinga na goteba buna nigo agokeire enchera serikali yaye egenderete koligererwa na abarai kurase ensemeria yo kwamereria serikali ase atebira buna nigere buya ekere serikali ekomorigwa amaborio ase ebintu biria egakora korinde nigo aboigo akwaneire ase moroberio yo bwe serikali bwa mabuta serikali ase serikali ase bona tebire nigo moroberio yo ore ase obwasioku na nigo oboigo rentire Amayia ase ense ya Kenya ase boiga tebire buna nigo amasakara aonsi aria akorenterwa amaguta wezira somorobero yo government to government arororo na boigo niga abekire ase ense moya serikali ase bono omorobero yo ore teneni.
That when the opposition is asking us about the G2G petroleum engagement, we can confidently tell them all the documentation is public. All the agreements are public. And I can say without fear of any contradiction that this whole exercise before even I took the oath of office, the leadership of all oil marketers came to see me, and they were stranded, looking for dollars from corner to corner. In fact, there was stock out in many parts of Kenya. Many petrol stations were closed. And I can confirm to the country that the G2G petroleum products engagement with our international oil companies is above board, is transparent, is innovative, and it has made the biggest difference in our country.
Chinga kecho rutobo igoni ga kwanire ase Chinsa chiria babeire ba kubwatrana aso korenta amafta gwetera somorobero yobo government to government asatebire anena se ensere ya Saudia nigo ense yo ya genderire gosira abokoreri ibwense eto ya Kenya anene asense meyo ya maguta.
If we hadn't been innovative, we would have driven the country in the direction that was going then, of more subsidies, greater debt, more confusion, and the whole of that space. Let me say this for the record, confidently for the record, that the purpose of the G2G agreement, the government to government, and I have talked to MBS and MBZ, the two leaders of UAE and Saudi, and they have gone out of their way to support our country.
Embura nino yo igendrete kwenekiwa emergency to ya Kenya ni gobono ya rolekanire wa kamono ase county ya Mombasa amonechi county chinde ase bono abamenyibe county ya Mombasa banyorire wa kokonene maiga ye chinyomba cyabo korimeriwa na mache maiga yembure nyinge kwenekiwa goto ase county yo ase ikeyega nigo asensemo yo bosombi warolekanire gotinena nonyana abamenyibe chinsemo ao osinywa kogenda anseme yemo cha seyende asekeria mache atereme ase chipara na goicholera na amono ni gobono abamenyebe county yo ya Mombasa babolire serikali nene gwesokia na kubwatira na amono serikali ye county yo ya Mombasa eri ko ne kingango konya bale abantu ase county yo ya Mombasa asekeri ni gabange babeire bagwakwa asa macha asoire chinyomba cyabo nabo igononya ne chindagera kubora achiria bakoria.
Maji imeingia ndani. So ile kitu ambayo tumekuwa tukishirikiana na wananchi wenyewe na serikali ya county na timu yetu ya Red Cross, mwanzo ilikuwa ni kutoa watu na bado tunaendelea kutoa watu wale ambao wamekuwa trapped ama wamekwama kwa manyumba. So na secondly ni sehemu kama hizi ambazo unapata barabara imezidiwa na maji, na kitu kubwa ambayo tunawaambia wakazi wa Mombasa na najua katika sehemu zingine za Kenya ni vizuri watu ikiwa nyumba yako iko sawa afadhali ubaki nyumbani, kwa sababu afya yako ndio muhimu zaidi kuliko ile watu kutoka kujipeleka katika hatari. Alafu pia ikiwa unaona sehemu ambayo unakaa ni mahali hatari afadhali ujitoe pale. Mpaka jana zile
kwa sisi tunaiomba serikali aswa kuanzia kwa Rais William Samoei Ruto na naibu wake, kuna poor drainage hapa Mombasa na nyinyi mlituahidi vitu vingi, kwa hivyo mtoe pesa vijana wapate kazi, kuchimbwe mashimo, mitaro, maji yao yanapita, kwa sababu saizi angalia hata sisi vile tunakaa.
Chinga kechu mugavana bwe county ya Mombasa Abdul Swamad na Sheriff Nasir niga tebiruna niga serikali nene etarabwato kabesa chinde chonsi chembura yego chikokonya chembura yerinino asa tebiruna no nyama iga ya serikali county yo wa kwa mono asembura yerinino serikali nene teremoki getambo kero kindi yonsi yo kubwato ka chibesa chiri chabegetwe asense moiria yo gotanga ego sejo gokonya bali bakirwe no mochando jo obwimbura yelnino korende boigo ni gatebye muna ni ge serikali yaye agenderete kubika emeroberio erikone kingango konya bale abantu bonsi bali babire bagwa kwa nembure yo yelnino asekiri boigo akwanire bunani gobe bangirike bogo ikirano asensemo ya mariogo asibono barachiko bwatoka amariogo ayo arachiko konya andake kero mochando bwa marwire orabe ko gwateka asenseme ya Mombasa ekyagera ligate aereire goteba munani go embure yegotwa etali ibne ya botambe asekiri nigo yasaliri ebinte binge nabo igo emetara gotichana ase county yo asebono arachiko gandira kubwatoka obokonye anene bwokone kinga chiparango tichorwa chire elikunyara gwetia amachi chingaki embure ye egotwa.
Whether Mombasa has received any funding, kwa sababu nimeona wengine surely wengine wanasema kwa gavana alipokea pesa ya El Nino. I want to mark and read my lips. We have received zero funding in regards to El Nino. Nikisema zero na maanisha sufuri. Haya yote tunayoyafanya tunayafanya wenyewe. Everything that we are doing on our own, and with the local partnership that has been able to accept to assist us. We have received, I'm repeating again, we have received zero funding, be it through a conditional grant or be it through a donation, for purposes of El Nino. Everything that we are doing with our own resources as the county government. As we're speaking right now, we have made provisions for thousands of families on our own. As we're speaking now, even all those water pumps that were there were done on our own. The donation that we are getting today is from the Bohora community, who have graciously accepted to give us 10 extra pumps that will be sent to all those areas, and they will be there on a standby basis. God forbid if it does rain as heavy as it has rained over the last couple of days. And of course we have received from CCCC, the contractors of the Jombo Road, goods worth 300,000 in terms of food items. UNICEF is the other one who has helped.
Bishop Dorcas Gashagwa ni gobona boliria barandi korwase chikanisa chonsi mensi ya Kenya wesokia na gokulira bokongo asengana aye chinyomo chenseme ye moyo ribero LGBTQ ni goboigo atebire buna tiga barandi abasokia na go gikeria engane yo asekeringa tiba kunyara ko ikaransa na kurigereria ebigori bike bigwesorania ase amangana yo bokaya yo aseigo obaganirie bonsi abarandi kwenekinga ngobe kabale umukia ase batari na boba bonde bwensi kugikeria enseme yo ya LGBTQ asikeria atena nigo abantu bande bale no boba bogokwanira engane yo ya LGBTQ.
You cannot keep quiet. And many of us, you said you are birthright. Pesa kidogo tu. Sasa pesa zimekuja. Watu wanachukua tu nakula ni tu. Ukakula na mnyamazi. God is coming. And you will inquire of what you did when you had it. What you did when those children are crying and praying to God, desires that God may save them. Shetani anahubiri huko nje kwa watoto wenu, na nyinyi mnahubiri ndani ya kanisa. Mnaambiwa msitoke, mnakaa kwa sababu nyinyi ni waoga. What are you afraid of? Go out and get your children from Satan.
Ekigambiro ekinene gya Kenya ni gobono kyaboririe motenerie asensemo ya DCI emergency yetu ya Kenya na boigo DPP wikabo sio we kigambiro litukoria Jumatatu ario asebarache kwerera igoro yo gosira kwa nere oromo koriegasi ase county ya Nairobi asomo ABC yo governor oyo manyakaine buna Osman Harif asebono akageire gosira asenchire tamanyakaine kolengana na bakumwegerera gusaba wakiri baye Osman Harif nigo batebire munanigo abetega kubo twagose nigo abetega kubogorigwa ase chinguru n'abantu bakageire koba n'abanyanyimbo kitariki 10 cy'umutyenyo yo 10 ase bono baganire abanyanyimbo abateraniri abo sabara ya sensi Chinsa mecho Ibere cha DCI amona DPP wikabosyo bwekigambero ryo kwerera ikoro yo gosira kwaye ase bono bateruna nigo ogosira kwaye kugendete korenta obobo bonge jinga kense cya Kenya egendete konekia abantu kubwatwa ase chinguru nabo igo koirwa ase chinsemo chiri chitamanyikaini nabo igo gotamanyikana ase bare.
We are the legal team that is representing Osman Halif. Osman Halif was abducted by persons who we believe to be police officers on Friday last week, on the 10th of November, while coming out of the Sarit Center shopping mall together with his wife. We did file a case for habeas corpus, and the court on the 15th granted our application in terms of the writ of habeas corpus, which directed the Inspector General of the Police to produce the said Osman Halif before this court or any other court on this day. Today we have been in court and Mr. Halif has not been produced, and so therefore the court has found that the orders that it has given have not been complied with. It has ordered and summoned the Inspector General of Police.
Umwajumuri noro mweli wa manganama ya asenchera yobwenge bakogendera gotubwati agwetera asenchera yo mutandao asensemo ya Facebook otunyarabuna Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tunyarabuna Ndizi TV News nabo igo asensemo ye website tunyarabuna www.ndizitv.net edunyale gosanga amo 90 to basa kogendale omoroberio orumba nostalgia ngochore ase egekagetari egetambe nere papa siko the bad igo mwanchubule yo noro mwerio twara obuligeri obuyame ya Ndizi TV editor ya Dorcas Kemuma.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omu Gusii.